Chapter number 5, Ratio, page number 102, book 5A. Write your name, class and date. Worksheet 1. Here we have some dice and ball. The ratio of the number of dice to the number of ball is, first they have said about dice, so we have to write 1, 2, 3, 3 dice, and the number of balls 1, 2, 3, 4. In the second question, the ratio of the number of balls to the number of dice. So here first we have to count the number of balls and then number of dice. Number 2, the ratio of the length of cloth peg to the length of bow tie is. So here is the ratio. Cloth peg is 6 and bow is 8. 6:8. Here we have bow and then cloth peg. Bow is 8 and cloth peg is 6. Page number 103. Mrs. Lee take 20 minutes to paint a wall while Mr. Hu take 30 minutes to paint a wall at the same size. The ratio of the time taken for Mr. Lee to paint the wall to the time taken for Mr. Hu to paint the wall. So first Mr. Lee 20 minutes and Mr. Hu 30 minutes. Now again Mr. Hu 30 minutes and Mr. Lee 20 minutes. Now we have the ratio of the time of Mr. Lee 20 minutes to the total time taken for Mr. Lee and Mr. Hu. 20 plus 30 is 50. Number 4, here are some shapes. The ratio of the number of triangle 1, 2, 3 to the number of square 1, 2, 3, 4 to the number of circle 1, 2. The ratio of number of circle 1, 2 to the number of total shapes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have the table shows the daily allowance of 3 children. Siti $2 and $3 and Priya $1. The ratio of Siti allowance to an allowance to Priya. Siti $2 and $3 and Priya $1. Again Priya $1 and $3 and Siti $2. Page number 104. Write your name, class and date. Worksheet 2. Equivalent ratio. So here we have to write the ratio of number of pear to the number of pineapple. So pear 4 and pineapple. Pear 8 and pineapple 4. Circle the fruits in set of 2. So we have circle. How many set of pear? We have 4 set of pear and we have 2 set of pineapples. Circle the fruit set in 4. So we have 2 set of pear and 1 set of pineapple. As the numbers of pear and pineapple do not change in all 3 cases, the equivalent ratio is number 1, 8:4, number 2, 4:2, and number 3, 2:1. As we can see that the ratio is same like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of pineapple and pear remains same. They just only converted into groups. Page number 105. The ratio of the number of cans 3 to the number of bottle is 3. So can is 3 already written and number of bottles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The ratio of the number of can also be expressed in its simplest form. Equivalent ratio is to write the numbers in the simplest form. As we can see 3 and 9 are in the same multiple. So we are going to write the simple form of this number. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So this is also the correct answer. Here we have truck, car and bicycle. The ratio of truck to the number of bicycle. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 cars and 4 bicycle. The ratio can also be expressed in the simplest form. Here is the simplest form. As we can see, 2, 4 and 6 all are the multiple of 2. So we can write 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Like you can see 6, 2 and 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Here we have to write the missing number. How we are going to fill this? Here we have 12. So we multiply 3 with the number to get 12. 3 4s are 12. If 3 4s are 12, then we have to multiply the number with the same. 2 4s are 8. Here we have 10. 2 5s are 10. 1 5 and 4 5. 1 5 5. 4 5s are 20. And here we have 48 and 4. It means if we divide 48 with 4, we get 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 12. So we multiply this 12 with 1. Here we use the division method and here we use the multiplication method. It means that this 12 and 4 will multiply. 4 12s are 48. So 12 1s are 12. Same method we have used here. 7 2s are 14. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 3 9s are 27. 3 10s are 30. So we have 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. Again 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are 21. 3 14s are 42. Here we have solving word problems. Mrs. Lee buy 20 stalks of flower. 13 of the flowers are roses and the rest are sunflower. So here we have number of roses and number of sunflower, rest of the sunflower. So from 20 we minus 13. 20 minus 13 is 7. What is the ratio of the number of roses to the number of sunflower? So the ratio is 13:7. Here we have the table below shows the number of mathematical books and science books in a cupboard. Here are the numbers. What is the ratio of the number of science books to the total number of books? Science book 20 and the total number is 50. Or equivalent or simplest form is 2:5. 10 2s are 20, 10 5s are 50. Question number 3 is the ratio of the volume of water in a jug to the volume of water in a cup was 4:1. Water in jug 4, water in cup 1. There was 200 milliliter of water in cup. So 200. We have to find this. How much water is in jug? So we have to multiply this with 200 and this also with 200. 4 multiplied by 200 is 800. 1 multiplied 200 is 200. So we have there was 800 milliliters of water in the jug. If we write 800 and 200, this 200 and 800, we get the same ratio, 4:1. Number 4, the ratio of the numbers of adults to the numbers of children at a concert was 4:3. Number of adults, number of children. There were 96 adults at the concert. How many children were there? So, number of adults 4, number of children 3. There were 96 adults. If we multiply this 4 divided by 96, we have the easy method to find this multiple. We divide these two numbers. 4 divided by 96, 4, 96, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 1 here, 4 4s are 16. So we have 24. It means If we multiply 4 with 24, we get 96. So if we multiply 3 with 24, we get 72. So it means that there were 72 children. Question number 5. Milling and Farhan share 105 cards. The ratio of the number of cards Milling received to the number of cards Farhan received was 7:8. How many cards did Farhan receive? So we have 105 cards, 7 and 8. So 15 units is 105, 7 and 8. When we add these numbers, we get 15. So 105 divided by 15, we divide this with 105 to find the 1 unit. 1 unit is of 7. So we multiply this 7 with 8. 7 multiplied by 8 is 56. Farhan received 56 cards because Farhan is having 8 ratio. 7 is for Milling and 8 is for Farhan. So we multiply this 7 with Farhan's 8 unit. So we get 56. Number 6. 40 people were asked to choose their favorite type of movie. The ratio of the numbers of people who like fantasy to the number of people who like action to the number of people who like comedy is 7. This is fantasy, then action 2, and then we have comedy 1. So here is the ratio and total number of people 40. So we have total number of people 40, fantasy 7, action 2 and comedy 1. So we have total 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units. Now we have to find the one person from this 10. 10 unit is 40. So 40 divided by 10 is 4. Now we have to find how many people like fantasy movie. So the unit for the fantasy movie is 7. We multiply this 7 with this 4, the amount of 1 unit. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. 28 people like fantasy movie. Kate, Nora and Zinni have 100 stickers altogether. Kate has 28 stickers and Nora has 24 more stickers than Kate. What is the ratio of Kate has to the number of stickers Nora has to the numbers of Zinni has? So we have total 100 stickers. Kate has 28, Nora has 24 more than Kate, so 28 plus 24, 52. Zinni has, we have more than Kate, and Nora has the numbers of, Zinni has 100 total number minus 28 Kate plus 52. So when we add these numbers, we get 80, and 80 from 100 subtract is 20. It means that Kate has 28, Nora has 52, and Zinni has 20. Now if we make them simple, we get 7, 13, and 5. 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28, 4 1s are 4, 1 here, 4 3s are 12. Number 8. A grocer has 15 apples, some pears and some oranges. There are 9 more apples to the number of pear and 3 times as many oranges as pear. Find the ratio of the number of apple to the number of oranges. Apple 15, pear question mark, oranges, because here some and some. Now after the statement we have there are 9 more apples than pear. So we have 15 minus 9, we get 6. It means we have 6 pears, and there are 3 times as many oranges than pear. 6 multiplied by 3, 18. So we have the ratio, number of apples 15, number of oranges 18. We have to find the ratio of oranges and apple, and simplest form is 5 and 6. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. Question number 9. The bar graph below shows the number of 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee coin in a money box. Here is the coins. What is the ratio of the number of 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee? Express your answer in simplest form. So 1 rupee is 10, 2 rupee is 15 and 5 rupee is 10, 11, 12. Here is the number in its simplest form. Here we have on page number 111 a mind workout question. A company charged $6 for standard delivery and $10 for express delivery. For every 5 deliveries in December, 4 were standard and 1 was express. The company received $850 for delivery in December. How many deliveries were express deliveries? So we have 4 deliveries of a standard. 4 6 are 24. So it means 24 ratio 10 because we have only 1 of express. Now we have to write this in simplest form. 2 5s are 10, 2 12s are 24. We have total 12 plus 5, 17 units. 17 units is equals to 850, the total amount they receive. Now we have to find the amount of 1 unit. So we divide 850 with 17 units. And when we divide 850 with 17 units, we get the answer 50, which is the amount of 1 unit. Now we have to find the amount of express delivery. So we have the express delivery 5. So 5 multiplied by 50 is 250. 250. Then we have 250 divided by 10 because we have $10 for the express delivery. So 250 divided by 10 is 25. 25 deliveries were express deliveries. Review 5, page number 112. Here again we have to read the questions and write the answers. Rabbits and hamsters. 3 rabbits, 5 hamsters, 5 rabbits, 3 hamsters, 3 rabbits, total 8, 5 hamsters, total 8. Here again we have to solve this by counting the shapes. Same method on page number 113. We have to find the missing numbers by multiply the number or divide the number. The ratio of price of an adult ticket to the price of child to the price of senior. Adult, child and senior. And the simplest form is 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. There are 52 members in a school corps. 40 of the members are girls and the rest are boys. What is the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys in a school? So 52 total. 40 girls remaining. 52 minus 40 is 12. So the ratio is 40 12 and the simplest form is 3 4s are 12 and 4 10s are 40. Here again we have to solve this question according to the unit method. We have total 5 units. 2 plus 3 5 and 1 unit is of 5 and we have total catfish 2 units. So 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. The remaining is 3 units of crab. So we have total 15 crabs. Same as it is, we have to use this unit method in this question. Last page of the chapter 116. Here we have the table Bala, Ann and City. Find the ratio of amount total. So Bala, Ann, City. 12, 4, 16, 32. The ratio of the amount Bala had to the total amount of 3 children's had is 12 and total 32. The simple is 616 and the more simple is 318. Here we have beaker A, beaker B. We have 2 beakers. In beaker A we have 60 ml. and beaker B we have 100 ml. The simplest form of these numbers is 3:5. 23 is a 60, 25 is 100, and here we have the units 90 divided by 3 because we have to find A, and 15. 5 units of B, 30 multiplied by 5 is 150. 150 minus 100 is 50 ml.